Okay, this is baby Indivar, who is trying to escape. Stay in there, buddy. I am going to feed him cockroaches for the first time, but you have to stay in your bucket if you want to eat. Alright, I'm filming with my left hand so I can grab these little guys with my right. Ooh, almost. Come here. Come on, little guy. He's really excited. He knows there's something going up. Some of you probably just pick these up with your hands, but I kind of think they're a little bit gross. Ooh, jackpot. Carrie, you want to watch him eat for the first time? Ah, he's coming down. Come here, buddy. All right. Right there. It's right there. So I like to film all his first, and this is his first time eating a cockroach. Yummy! And Kara's having cereal, crunchy cereal.
Yeah. That diet thing I was doing wasn't making me feel well.
Oh, really?
That's why I come to work today.
Well, screw that then. It'd be fun to, I don't know, go out. Or you're still not feeling well?
I don't feel better. I'm like really lightheaded and I was about to throw up today.
Oh, that's your tail. Here, there's one right here. No, that's the hole. No, that's the egg crate. You're not supposed to eat the egg crate. Well, hopefully he'll find out it's not food. Tug of war, give it to me. You eat the bugs on the side of it. So he likes these. These, I don't know if I'm saying it right, dubii cockroaches. Oh, they're fairly easy to catch and he's eating them pretty quickly. They're supposed to be high in protein. The guy standing behind me in the counter said he fed his leopard geckos these and they like doubled in size in a couple of months. Of course, he's still going to eat his skink chow. And other insects too, but these are a yummy treat and he really seems to be enjoying them. It's kind of stuck in the crease. Morgan got a dog?
Yeah.
Is she, like, crazy? Can she have a dog where she's at?
No, she's been hanging out with her a lot.
Okay, so that's all I'm gonna feed for now. I don't want him to get too full. I'm not sure how many he ate. I'll have to replay the video and count back. But I gotta save some for later. But he really seemed to, you seemed to like it, didn't you? You've got some guts on the side of your face. That's lovely. Lovely, lovely.